Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can show battery percentage on your Samsung phone. Alright guys, let's get into it, but before it I'm going to show you that my battery percentage is not showing up right here, so we're going to practice how we can make the battery percentage appear on our screen. And the first thing we have to do is going to our settings application on our phone, then we're going to click on notification setting right here, and then on the notification setting we have to select the advanced setting, this one. Okay, and since we want to show the battery percentage, we just need to click on the circle button, and after that the battery percentage will appear on our screen. Okay, and this is the battery percentage on my phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can show battery percentage on Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.